This is the Ironman. Tony Stark. See, wow, yeah. Cool. Let's call it. Guys, we're gonna looking for toys, guys. Wow, guys, can see this place, guys? To call it the toys, guys. Wow. So exciting. What kind of toys, guys? We're gonna call it today. Wow. Let's take the place. Call it the toys, guys. Wow. What is this? Wow. This is part of the lobster, guys. Wow. Just half. Oh, just the head. Where's the body? Okay. Maybe there's around here to find the part of the lobster, guys. Okay. Let's go. Dude. Wow. There's the clue, guys. I think we're gonna find if we follow. Look, there's water mark around here. See, wow, let's follow. I think it's around here, guys. Wow, guys, look, you can see. Wow, lot of toys, guys. Wow. Look, there's many kind of the toys today. Yeah. And then this is the part of the lobster, guys. The body of the lobster. Wow, yeah. We call it. This is the lobster, guys. Wow, we found the part of the body of the lobster, guys. See? Wow, lobster. Yeah. Let's put it in. Wow, a lot of toys, guys. Yeah, wow. This is Motogp, guys. Look, you can see. Wow, how fast are they? Wow, we have to have good skill to win the race, guys, because it's really fast motorbike. Wow, yeah. Let's put it in. And then this is animals, guys. Look, this is cow. Wow, look, so funny, yeah, the cow. You can see. Wow, yo. Yeah. Okay, let's call it. And then this is the king of the jungle, guys. Yay, this is the lion. Wow, look. Wow. Yeah. Let's put it in. And then this is the leopard, guys. You can see. Wow. He can swim. Look. Yeah. Let's put it in. Yeah. And then, wow, this is a helicopter, guys. You can see. Wow, it's cool, yeah. Let's put it in. And then this is the Godzilla and King Kong. Wow, they fight. Look. Wow. Yeah. Whoa. See? Wow. Really powerful animals, yeah. Wow, look, you can see. Okay, let's collect it. And then this is a Tyrannosaurus, guys. Wow. Whoa. Yeah. So cool. So big animal. Okay, let's put it in. And then there's two fish. Look, this is marlin fish, guys. Look, you can see. Yeah. Okay, let's call it. And then this is a superhero. This is Captain America. Wow, he's good for fight, yeah. He's strong, fast. I think he's the leader of the Avengers. And then this is the mask. Well, let's see. Wow. Okay, yeah. I'm happy. Collect many toys today. And then this is another superhero. This is the Ultraman. Wow. Whoa. Wow, it's good to fight with the monster, yeah, guys. You see? Wow. Let's collect it, guys. Yeah. And then this is the gun, guys. Look. Wee. So cool. Let's put it in. And then superhero. This is the Ironman, Tony Stark. See, wow, yeah. Oh, let's call it. And then this is Spider-Man, hang around, jump, building to the building. We see, wow, awesome. And then this is airplane, the big airplane. This is commercial airplane. Wow, so big, yeah. Okay, let's call it. And then this is the dinosaurs, guys. Look, wow, this is the Triceratops. Wow, see, we awesome. Okay, let's put it in. And then this is the Allosaurus, guys. We collect it. And then this is Stegosaurus. Wow. See, we okay, let's put it in. Well, almost full, guys. And then I think it's an animal. It's the last toys, guys. We call it today. You see, this is the zebra. Wow, wow, so cute. Okay, guys. Wow, yeah. We already call it many toys today, guys. Okay, guys. Next video we're gonna collect and then find a lot of toys like this, yeah, guys. Okay, guys. I'll see you next video, yeah, guys. Keep smile. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye.